Hello and welcome to the sixth video in the command prompt series. In the last video, we started exploring directory management command and covered part 1, a general introduction and overview of these commands. If you haven't seen it yet, check out the link in the I button or in the description. Now in this video, we are going to move to part 2 where we will discuss directory listing and weaving directory structure. But before we proceed, here is a quick reminder of our plan for the upcoming video. Under the directory management section, since part 1 is already done, let us jump right into part 2. Under this group, we are going to cover two important commands. First, dir for listing the directories and files. Second, tree to view the directory structure. Now let us first see the dir command in detail. So here dir and dir slash we are going to discuss. So dir used to list the all directory. Directory means folder and files in the current directory. So here important things to be noted that it is going to list out all the files and directory in current directory. Okay, and dir slash s is going to list out all the files and directory in the current directory as well as its subdirectory. Don't scratch your head. Let us understand this with an example. Suppose you have stored your project file in a folder named ML project, which is also containing subfolder named such as ETL, data analysis, feature engineering, and ML model. So in this, the current directory is ML project, whereas its subdirectory is going to be the all subfolder. I hope you have already got the difference between two commands, but let us make it crystal clear by comparing both dir and dir slash s. So as the wording of dir tells that it is going to list out all the subdirectory and files present in the current directory. So suppose if you are executing dir command in ML project, so it is going to list out all the subdirectory, and subdirectory here are ETL, data analysis, feature engineering, and ML model. But in case if you are executing dir slash s in current directory, that is ML project, then it is going to list out all the subdirectory, that is ETL, data analysis, feature engineering, ML model. But addition to this, it is also going to list out all the files and subfolder present in each individual folder. For example, what files are present in ETL folder itself. So in this case, under ETL, suppose ETL1.txt is present, ETL.2txt is present. Similarly, for instance, under data analysis, the .txt file are present. So hope you have got a clear stark difference between dir and dir slash s. Now let us jump to the command prompt window to see it practically. Hope guys you have opened your command prompt window. In case not, please press Window plus R, type cmd and hit enter. It will open a cmd window with default directory. For me, the default directory is this one. But in your case, the default directory could be different based on your system setting. So now first of all, we are changing this default directory to new directory where our project is stored. Since my project is stored in the desktop, you can see in the screenshot as well. Hence, I am going to change this default directory to desktop. For that, write cd, that is change directory slash OneDrive slash desktop slash ML project, and hit enter. So this has changed my default directory to that directory where my project is stored. And guys, please note that I have already discussed how the change directory, that is cd, work. So I'm providing link in the I button. Please do watch. Now let's back to the topic. Now type dir and hit enter and check what output it is going to give. So as you can see, it has date, time, type, and files are dir. Here dir these and files this one. So hope you have got an idea on dir. Now let us move to our next command, dir slash s. For that, let us type dir slash s as you are already knowing that it is going to give you files and folders present in current directory as well as the subdirectory. So let us hit enter and see. So as you can see that the the folder ML project, it is having dir, these all the files, and each dir, suppose data analysis, which is a subdirectory of ML project, is having files these two. Similarly, the ETL folder, which is part of this ML project, is having files ETL1 and ETL2. Similarly, others folder. So hope you have got an idea on both concept, that is dir and dir/s. Now let us move on to see how to customize the output of these commands. But before jumping into customization, there are two key things we need to understand. Number one, the format of the output we are getting from the dir or dir/s command. Number two, the comparison between CMD output and GUI to build a solid intuition of this concept. So let us break it down step by step. So first let us check out the format of the output from dir command. Here I have pasted the output we got when we executed the dir command. On observing closely, we can see that the default output include four key components. First, date means when files or directory was last modified. Time, the specific time at which the modification took place. Type, which indicate whether it is a file or directory. Fourth, name, the name of the file and directory. Now let us compare this output with the GUI representation. Here I have pasted the screenshot of GUI window. You can observe that the detail provided in the default output of dir command are almost similar to what we have seen in GUI view. It demonstrating the equivalence of two representation. Now that we have got a clear understanding of default outputs, it's a perfect time to discuss how to customize the output of dir command. So let's begin. So here I have provided a list of common dir option available for customizing the output. You can take a screenshot. Now without wasting any time on the wording, let us jump to the CMD window where I will explain these options in detail along with the example to make more sense. So guys, in this CMD window, I have navigated to the same folder where I have stored my project. You can navigate to your folder of interest using the change directory command, which I have discussed already. Now let us go through each option one by one. So the first option is /a, which return files and directory including the hidden directory. And guys, please do not get confused with the dir output because the default dir output is not showing the hidden files. So now let us see in the command prompt window. So guys, to make you understand, I have created one hidden folder under ML project by name of hidden file demo. So to understand this, let us first execute dir command, then see whether that hidden folder is visible or not. So you can see there is no folder by hidden name. Now let us type dir/a and now hit enter and check whether it is going to visible or not. So now you can see that folder, it is now visible. So this is how the dir/a work. Hope you got this concept or option. Now let us move to our second. So the second option is /a:/h. It will return only the hidden file. Let us see in the command window. So type dir/a:/h and hit enter. You can see here that only hidden folder is now displaying. So now hope you have got this option concept. Now these are the remaining options which are also available for customizing the output of default dir command. I am not discussing right now all of them. You can try by yourself as per your requirement. And in case if you are facing any difficulty, you can ask me in the comment section. I will reply them. So with this, we have completed directory listing command. Now let us see how to view the directory structure through tree. Let us explore the tree command in detail. The tree command is used to view the directory structure in a clear tree-like format. When you are going to execute tree command in any directory, it will display all the folders in hierarchical view. There are two variants of tree command. First, tree, which only will display directory, and the other one is a tree/f. It will display both directory and files in the tree structure. Here I have given a sample preview how the output look for each command, but to get better understanding, let us jump to the CMD window and try it out. So hope you have opened your CMD window. Let us type tree and hit enter. So as you can see, the output having a tree-like structure, which is displaying all the directory or folder which are present inside the ML project. But here the files which are present for each folder, it is not showing. For that, if you want to see, we are going to type tree/f and hit enter. So now here you can see that inside the ML project there are two files, the me files and old files name, and another under data analysis two files are there like this way, and similarly for ETL and other folder. So hope you have got how the tree command function, and with this we have completed our second part. From next video we are going to see part 3 where we are going to discuss directory creation and deletion related command. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such insight. Thank you for watching.